Hello friends, I am Adrija. Welcome to my study room. In the previous video, we have already completed exercise 8.3 of trigonometry. Today we are going to start with exercise 8.4 of trigonometry. But before starting exercise 8.4, you need to know some trigonometric identities, some formulas, which you have to remember, okay, which you have to learn. So we have already learned some algebraic identities, right? So these are some trigonometric identities, okay? So trigonometric identities. What are the trigonometric identities? Sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So sine square A plus cos square A will always be 1. This is the first one. Then 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Number 3, 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Okay, so first one was sine square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 plus tan square A is sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. And tan A is equal to sine A by cos A. Tan A is equal to sine A by cos A. Okay. And cot A is equal to cos A by sin A, because we know that tan A is reciprocal is cot A, right? So if tan A is sin A by cos A, then cot A will be cos A by sin A. So these are the 5 trigonometric identities that you have to learn, and with the help of these identities we are going to do the exercise 8.4's problem. So let's start with exercise 8.4, and you have to learn all these identities, okay? You have to learn all these identities. So let's start with exercise 8.4. So we are going to start exercise 8.4 with question number 5, okay? Prove the following identities. We have to prove the following identities. So what is the number 1? Number 1 is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So we have to prove this. So first, left hand side, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. This is the left hand side. So in most of the cases, if there is any other trigonometric ratios other than sin theta and cos theta, we are going to convert the other trigonometric ratios into sin theta and cos theta. Over here also cosec theta and cot theta is there. We are also going to convert this cosec theta and cos theta into sin theta and cos theta. In most of the cases, we will convert the other trigonometric ratios into sin theta or cos theta, okay? So cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is there, okay? Now what is cosec theta? We have already learnt earlier that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, right? So we are not going to write cosec theta, we are going to write, instead of cosec theta, we are going to write 1 by sin theta, because cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, right? So 1 by sin theta, okay, minus. Now cot theta, what have we learnt in the identity? We have learnt that cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, right? So cos theta by sin theta whole square, okay, understood? Now we are going to subtract this sin theta, and over here is 1 minus cos theta whole square, or we can write this as, this is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square, so we can write this as 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta, right? By sin square theta, okay? Now over here first will be 1 minus cos theta whole square only, and here we are going to write, instead of sin theta, what have we learned in the first identity? Remember, sin theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So over here, this is a sin square theta. So sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, or sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a, right? So instead of sin square theta, we can write 1 minus cos square theta. So we are going to write 1 minus cos square theta. Okay? Now we can 1 minus cos theta whole square. We can write this as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, because it is 1 minus cos theta whole square. So we are going to write this as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay? 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Right? Now this one, 1 minus cos square theta. Now 1 square is what? 1. So if we put it in the formula of a square minus b square, this is a and this is b. 1 square is 1 and cos theta square is what? Cos square theta, right? So we are going to put this in the formula of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? It is a plus b into a minus b, right? So a, what is a? 1 plus b, what is b? Cos theta. So we are going to write a plus b into a minus b. A 1 plus b cos theta. Okay? And then a minus b, 1 minus cos theta. Now see over here, 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta will be cut. So what remains? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Right? See, we have already proved it. What is written? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Okay, we have completed number 1 of question number 5. Now let's move to number 2.